Nestled in the jungles just south of Uxmal was my next destination. A place so easy to explore and apparently almost break a leg.
So driving through something called Ruta Puuc right now. It's a bunch of like Mayan ruins with all these different designs. A lot of the walls have like faces in them. I've never seen an area with ruins with as many like inscriptions on the actual temple. There's about 4 or 5 sites just within a couple miles of each other. We just left Kava.
Second to only Uxmal in size along Ruta Puuc, Kaba is full of some very cool sculptures. It is a great sight to walk around and search for some ancient Mayan emojis.
But look how hot it is here. Check out how hot it is here. That was burning. It still smells. Can you smell that? Caught on fire. It's wild. It is incredibly hot. It is extremely hot here. Is my face red? I can't feel my face. I cannot feel my face, but we're gonna move to the next one. What is it, 110 degrees?
Probably.
I'm the idiot wearing black today. All trip, I've been wearing linen and white and little turtles on my shirt. Today I'm wearing black. 105 or 110 degrees. Let's wear black.
We have so many ruins to see. We have so many ruins to see.
I can't handle this. I'm gonna die of heat stroke. It's all good. It's all good. It's not good. It's not good. The coolest thing is they're right on the side of the road. It's not like you would, like Chichen Itza. You gotta drive there, then you gotta park, then you gotta walk. Here, you just pull in. It's like $1, $2, and then you walk in. So that's what Mexico does. They have just have ruins everywhere. Ruins and food. Sometimes chicas.
Labna was next. The tiny site was built along a large sakbi or Mayan road that led straight to the most popular piece of the site, El Arco.
This is Mayan. This is an explanation of the place we're at right now. Labna. I'm gonna try to read it in Mayan the best I can. What the hell was that? Did you hear that? I think there's a snake, whatever. Anyway. Labna jump il kuchil kuyik isik ubit pajil yaab maya kajo ubil upukil Yucatán ukana chapaki lobe. I can't do it. That's the best I can do. I know. But watch this. Watch this. I'm kind of feeling like Indiana Jones right now. Got my hat. Got some ruins everywhere. Got someone following me and recording me, making my every move, trying to ruin my own video. But that's a face. Look at that. Ooh, check this out. This is from 750 and 1000 AD. It's a lot of years ago. And so there's 1,500 to 2,500 people here, and there's only 1.24 square miles. That's all this place is. There is no one here. We're the only 2 people in the entire place. It's completely quiet. You can hear the mosquitoes flying around. You can hear all the birds, all the noises. And then, I mean, this structure, you have this arch over here, which is awesome. Then you have this temple on top of this rock hill, which is awesome. But the coolest thing to me about this place is this road. This is a sakbi. A sakbi are the roads that the Mayans built from town to town. Check this thing out. It has a perfect little structure on the side that is up probably about 2 feet. It's really wide. So I would say they were using this one for kind of just wheeling different things around. They had transportation. They used some kind of transportation with wheels, and they push things, they pulled things. So I would say that this one was created nice and wide for that. I haven't seen one this big. There's one in Chichen Itza. It's pretty small though. That one's huge. This is like a highway. This is like I-95. That's the best comparison I have. Is the Sakpi's I-95. You just imagine a bunch of Mayans running through there, just kind of like crashing into each other. Mayan crashes. My camera person just got bit by a bug and is freaking out. I'm sorry if the camera just moved a little bit, but you know, not everyone's strong.
All jokes aside, I really enjoyed my time in Labna as it was very quiet. It is not uncommon to explore Ruta Puuc in peace. I would have liked to have stayed longer, but I had one more place I wanted to see.
To be honest, I haven't pooped in 2 days. I'm too excited.
So he's in a bad mood.
No, I'm too excited to see things and I can't poop.
I didn't make it to Mayapan before closing time, but that gave me a chance to play with my drone.